Hello guys, so I am about to juice it up. I have all my stuff chopped up. I have, let's see, this is me shooting, so this is not going to be as fancy. So I hope you guys can see this. I have some carrots, oranges, and a piece of ginger. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. And oh, that's my fruit salad that I've already cut up. That's my sippy cup that I love. And this is my new juicer. My honey got this for me for my birthday. It's crazy because I love it. It's basically a slow juicer, and you guys will see how it works. I still use my high-speed juicer, but since today I'm not in a rush, and I don't really, I have like a free day today, so I'm going to take advantage and use it because it's not as fast. It's not really as slow as I thought it was going to be, but it's not as fast as the high-speed juicer I have over there. So we're going to juice. Now, I need to figure out a way. This is my first time. I really don't know how to do this. How to pretty much, let's see.